case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2007 legal dispute, Simone v. Heidelberg, examined by the New York Court of Appeals, the ongoing tussle centered around a driveway easement and its recreation. The case put a spotlight on the necessity to record the easement in the owner's property records, and proved to be a reminder that an easement could not be recreated without the ownership of the burdened land. This legal feud unfolded after a driveway easement established in 1933, involving two plots at 157, 159, and 163, 165 Driggs Street on Staten Island, became the subject of a disagreement. The Accardos acquired both properties in 1978, subsequently dividing the estate at 163, 165 Driggs in 1982, without reference to the existing easement. Surprisingly, when they sold the property at 157, 159 Driggs in 1984, the deed contained the easement verbiage. The conflict began when plaintiffs who purchased the property at 163 Driggs in 1993 sought to restrict the access of the defendants, who acquired the property at 157, 159 Driggs in 1996 to the easement. Still, the lower court chose to favor the defendants, stating that common ownership had led to the extinguishing of the easement, and that it was not recreated due to the absence of any mentions in the servient estate's deed. The Appellate Division initially concurred with this decision before reversing its stance, ruling that the easement was recreated when the properties were sold separately, with each deed bearing the easement language. The call of the Court of Appeals, however, marked the reversal of the Appellate Division's previous decision. It was concluded that for an encumbrance to be recreated, it was necessary to record it in the servient estate's chain of title. Led by a claim of necessity, the plaintiffs argued for the easement's existence, an argument that the court dismissed as merely a convenience. Hence, the court concluded that the easement was not recreated, rendering the dispute over whether the easement had been abandoned by the defendants unnecessary. Thus, the saga of Simone v. Heidelberg ended, leaving a trail of lessons and legal precedents in its wake.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.